Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Tasmat priya priya viyoga sanjoga janma sukadnina sakala joni sudayamana dukkho sadam tadapi dukkha mata dhyaham bhuman brahmami vadame sabadastu yogam. Prahlad Maharaj, previous verse, he said, I am very much afraid of this material existential condition. Dukkhalayam athasatam. Now, he is describing what is the different phases of such suffering. Jasmat, on account of this material existence. When we come to this material world, there are connections with so many persons, Bhutapto, Pitinirang, Nilang. As soon as we come down from the womb of the mother, there are so many relatives, friends, Bhuta Aptya, Pitri, Bhutapta Rishi, Pitinirang, Nilang. We become connected. But some of them are dear and some of them are not very friendly enemies. So, Dasmat Priya Viyoga Sangayoga Janma. Viyoga Sangayoga Janma. As soon as one child is born, he is separated from the former life and he is connected with another new life, new body, Viyoga Sangayoga. Maybe the former body was very pleasing and this body is not very pleasing, degraded. That is possible. Dehantara prapti. It is not that we will always get a body very pleasing, but the illusory energy is so strong. If one gets the body of a pig, he thinks it is very nice. This is called Prakhevatmika Shakti. Maya has got especially two energies, Avuranatmika and Prakhevatmika. Generally, Maya keeps us covered with illusion, and if one is little enlightened, wants to get out of the clutches of Maya, there is another potency of Maya, which is the Prakhevatmika. Suppose one thinks, now I shall become Krishna conscious. This ordinary material consciousness is so disturbing, let me become Krishna conscious. The Maya says, what we will do it is, better remain in material consciousness. This is called Prakhevatmika. Therefore, sometime some man comes in our society, after staying for days, he goes out. But this is Prakhevat, thrown out. Unless he is very sincere, he cannot stay with us. He will be thrown out. So, Prahlad Maharaj said that these two positions, somebody is pleasing and somebody is not pleasing. It is going on, perpetual. Not that if I change this body, this process will also stop. No. So long you have got this body in the material world, you will have these two processes. Somebody will be your friend and somebody will be your enemy. Yoga Samajago Janma. But as soon as there are enemies, there is lamentation, anxiety, Shokagnina. Such lamentation is just like fire of lamentation. Shokagnina. Shokagnina sakala jonis. If you think that only the human society such things are there, somebody's enemy, somebody's friend. No, in any society, any joni. You have seen in the sparrows, the bird society, they are also fighting. You have seen it. They are also mixing very intimately, again fighting. So either you take birds or dogs, they are famous for fighting. So this is going on. Somebody very dear, somebody enemical, and fighting between them. Sakala joni, dayamana. You cannot get escape by avoiding one society and go to the other society. That is not possible. That fire of disagreement, enmity and friendship, it will go on. Not only here, even in the heavenly planet. The heavenly planet, there is fight between the Devas and Asuras. The Asuras are envious of the Devas, and Devas are also envious of the Asuras. Everywhere. Even King Indra, he has got enemies, although he is very opulent. We want to go to the heavenly planet for enjoying the opulence of that atmosphere. But there is also the same thing.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare